Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, Flutter SDK, and the Dart plugin. Open Android Studio and install Flutter and Dart plugins now, then restart the IDE. Once done, run Flutter Doctor in Terminal to surface missing pieces and accept Android licenses. Make sure emulator images for API 33 Plus are downloaded. If not, install them through SDK Manager. This gets you from nothing to a verified baseline, so the next steps actually build and run an app. Now create a new Flutter project in Android Studio, pick your SDK path and enter a sensible package ID. Choose Kotlin or Java for the Android host. Pick null safety and Android X to avoid future migration work. Once the project is created, open Android/app/build. Gradle to set min SDK version and flavors if needed, then add plugins in PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. You do this so platform channels, dependencies, and build variants are correctly wired before you run. Finally, select your emulator or device and run the app by launching main. Dart, hot reload accelerates iterative changes. Use Flutter Inspector and Dev tools to inspect widgets and performance, set breakpoints in Android Studio, and step through platform code if needed. If you hit build errors, run Flutter clean, delete. Gradle caches and rerun Flutter Doctor to fix SDK or license problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if Gradle fails, check Android Home and Local properties for correct SDK paths and restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.